What can I do if my hoodie has shrunk in size?
Hello, fashion enthusiasts. It can be pretty frustrating when your favorite hoodie shrinks after a wash, but worry not. We're here to discuss how you can restore your shrunken hoodie to its original size with some simple steps.
Why does my hoodie shrink?
First, let's understand what causes your hoodie to shrink. The main culprit is usually heat, from hot water in your washing machine or high heat in the dryer. These conditions cause the fibers in the hoodie to tighten up, resulting in a smaller size.
Can I unshrink my hoodie?
Yes, you absolutely can. It might seem like a miracle, but it's just simple science. By using a bit of gentle stretching and moisture, you can relax the fibers in your hoodie and get them back to their original size.
What do I need?
To unshrink your hoodie, you'll need your shrunken hoodie, a tub of lukewarm water, a mild conditioner or baby shampoo, 2 clean, dry towels, a flat surface for drying, like a drying rack.
How can I unshrink my hoodie?
Here's a step-by-step process to unshrink your hoodie. Step 1. Fill the tub with lukewarm water and add a tablespoon of conditioner or baby shampoo. This will help soften and relax the hoodie's fibers. Step 2. Submerge the hoodie in the water and gently work in the conditioner. Allow it to soak for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Drain the tub and rinse the hoodie with cool water. Do not wring out the hoodie. This can cause further shrinkage or stretching in areas you don't want. Step 4. Lay out a clean, dry towel and place your wet hoodie on it. Roll the towel with the hoodie inside to remove excess water. Step 5. Unroll the towel and lay the hoodie on a second dry towel on a flat surface. Gently stretch the hoodie to its original shape and size. Step 6. Let the hoodie air dry. Do not use a dryer. It's that simple. You can save your favorite hoodie from the dreaded shrink with a little time and patience. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember to take care of your clothes by following proper washing and drying methods. Stay stylish.